Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm back with another how to make an upcycled puppet or how to make a bird puppet the hard way. Here it is, this little guy here with this big flower. He's so cute, but we're going to actually change him into a puppet. So to do this, I need to be able to see what I'm doing, and I'm putting my glasses on. Now underneath, this one looks like it is this little trap door here, and hidden screws is what I'm guessing here. So let's see here, we've got that, and I don't see a thing. Well, I'll tell you what, this looks like it's just going to be a little bit of prying and I'll be able to get this one off, okay? So let's get a big screwdriver here. This might work, and get in there and pry that baby up. I think is it working? This might be harder than I thought. Okay, so hold on a second here. Okay, that broke. All right, so that is tricky. Didn't look too closely at this one before I started on it. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're just going to go ahead and use our pliers to get on the edge here. And we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to force it. Or not. Not very cool. Okay, so let's try one more thing. I see some little spots here. Maybe I get in there and pry it out that way. Or maybe I get it in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. It's a poppet and like that, out the middle. Okay. That's the plan at least. Let's try it again here. Okay. You see that? Oh, it's kind of coming loose there. Kinda. Is this the one that's going to be the downfall of me? Okay, let's try it again. Oh, wait. Is this a zip tie? This might be a zip tie. Okay. Now, we're going to do this. We're going to see if we can get through that zip tie. There we go. Hold on. Okay, we got it. That's it. It was just one little zip tie holding it in. Oh, wow. Look how easy that was. This is going to be more of a glove puppet, I think. This is not going to be a full-fledged deal, but it was still fun to take it apart because, look at this. It's that simple. That's the mechanism right there. I don't know what it did. I don't remember what it was. It's still in somewhat working order. I've got the cover here. So we may be able to use this for something later on. Okay, so that still looks kind of good. Now let's pop his little feet out here. This is going to be... Did it come out? There it is. There's the zip tie that was inside. This looks like it's going to be just a glove puppet. Okay, a very snug glove puppet. But I'm thinking, well, what do I do? Because there's no mouth on it. I think what we're going to do is we're going to take this flower off. Let's see if we can just give it a little pull. And let's see if it will, if the stitches will cut. There we go. There's one bunch of stitches there. Find out where the other ones are here. Right in here. There we go. I think I ripped the actual, well, that's okay. And there's a little, oh, he's kind of cheeky there. Look at that. We've got the flower here. I'm going to try and get that without ripping the skin of the flower, because I might be able to use it for something else. And there it is. That's a massive flower there. So we've got a flower. We might do a magic trick with that. We've got the little bird. And I'm going to remove some of the batting material there to make it a little easier to get in there. And then there we go. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's rubbing his nose and all that good stuff. It's kind of weird because the bird is kind of sideways. If you look at it, the head is tilting off to the side. So it would be a constant like this. Unless you're a left-handed puppeteer, this is what we've got. So there he is. How to make a bird puppet the hard way. Hey, thanks for coming. I appreciate those of you who have been here before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. You get all the updates. And maybe next time we'll have some little puppets that you like. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.